This is example 2.2 on page 54 of our textbook. And here we're going to be looking at the law of multiple proportions. So this law states that when two elements, we could call them A and B for generic purposes, form two different compounds, the mass of element B that combine with 1 gram of element A can be expressed as a ratio of small whole numbers. So basically what this is saying is the mass of one element that combines with the mass of the other element, if it's 1 gram, should always be a whole number. If it's not a whole number, then this law of multiple proportions doesn't hold up. So the problem states that nitrogen forms several compounds with oxygen, including nitrogen dioxide and dinitrogen monoxide. Nitrogen dioxide contains 2.2 grams of oxygen to every 1 gram of nitrogen, while dinitrogen monoxide contains 0.570 grams of oxygen to every 1 gram of nitrogen. Show that these results are consistent with the law of multiple proportions. So we're given two numbers here. This 2.28 grams of oxygen that combines with every 1 gram of nitrogen, and then this 5.70 grams of oxygen that combines with every 1 gram of nitrogen. So basically, to make sure that this law holds up, this law of multiple proportions, we're going to take the mass of oxygen that combines with every 1 gram of nitrogen, and we're going to take the mass of oxygen that combines with every 1 gram of nitrogen, and we're going to divide bigger by the smaller, and if we do that, hopefully we will get a whole number. So on top we're going to have mass of oxygen to every 1 gram of nitrogen dioxide, and on the bottom sorry, I messed up there. Let me start over. Let's see. So it's mass of oxygen to 1 gram nitrogen, and that's in nitrogen dioxide. And then on the bottom, we're going to have mass nitrogen to 1 gram oxygen, and that's technically in dinitrogen monoxide, as stated in the problem. So we're just going to take those two numbers that I have underlined, 2.28 and 0.570, divide those by each other. You should get 4, which is a whole number ratio. So this ratio is a small whole number, aka 4, and that means that this is consistent with the law of multiple proportions.